Did you had any idea that consistently your kidneys clean around 150 quarts of blood? That is a challenging task for such little body parts. Yet what happens when they need to manage such a large number of destructive substances? In the present occupied world, our bodies, including our kidneys, frequently need to manage such a large number of poisons from the food, wheat to the air. We inhale. Our kidneys are consistently endeavoring to dispose of these terrible substances. That is the reason dealing with your kidneys is vital for your well-being. In this video, we will talk about normal ways of aiding your kidneys work better. We'll fill you in about the main 10 food varieties that can help clean your kidneys in a characteristic manner, keeping them solid without requiring clinical medicines. The kidneys are like a cleaning framework for our body, serving to dispose of waste, keep our body liquids adjusted, and control circulatory strength. They assume a key part in keeping our body stable. However, in the event that they're not functioning admirably, it can influence our well-being. This is the reason cleaning and taking great consideration of your kidneys isn't only really great for you. However, here and there it's required, it can help lower the possibility getting kidney stone, stop urinary plot contaminations, and even make you feel more enthusiastic looking to nature's wealth. We find an assortment of food sources that can support kidney well-being. Normally, these food sources are a more secure and frequently more viable decision than enhancements or meds, particularly for long-haul well-being, and purging alongside eating these food varieties carrying on with a kidney-accommodating way of life is significant. This implies eating less salt, also staying away from things that make the kidneys buckle down like smoking or drinking a lot of liquor. Presently, we should uncover these best 10 regular cleaners that can change your kidney well-being. Water. New water. The most fundamental yet significant component for kidney well-being is water. However, not a food. Its significance can't be put into words. Water is basic to kidney tasks. It's making a difference to channels quander from the blood and empowering the kidneys to eliminate poisons. Keeping all around hydrated straightforwardly helps your kidneys. In playing out their fundamental errands, a concentrate in the Diary of the American Culture of Nephrology in 2016 showed that drinking more water altogether lessens the gamble of kidney stones. Returning, the investigation discovered that individuals who drank a ton of liquids were less inclined to get kidney stones once more, featuring the significance of remaining hydrated. For kidney well-being, drinking enough water doesn't simply assist with detoxification. It's likewise vital in bringing down the gamble of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. This is since appropriate hydration guarantees your pee stays weakened, which stops minerals from developing and causing stone development. To get the most advantages, plan to drink around 8 to 10 glasses of water day to day. However, the specific sum can change in view of your body size, how dynamic you are, and the environment you live in. Keep as a primary concern that your complete water consumption incorporates liquids from different drinks and food sources. So it's not just about drinking plain water. In short, water might appear straightforward. However, its job in kidney well-being is colossal. Remaining hydrated. This is a significant method for keeping your kidneys clean and functioning admirably. Now, how about we move from water to a particular food that is not simply scrumptious, yet in addition a force to be reckoned with for kidney well-being? Cranberry. 2 cranberries aren't only for occasion feasts. There are of strength for your kidneys' most popular form, making a difference for urinary parcel diseases. These brilliant berries do substantially more, especially for well-being. Cranberry are stuffed with cell reinforcements that safeguard the body from oxidative pressure and help in detoxification. These cancer prevention agents are great for general well-being and explicitly assist the kidneys with sifting through destructive substances more proficiently. Besides, cranberries have extraordinary properties that forestall microorganisms from adhering to the urinary plot walls. A concentrate in the Diary of Urology in 2013 showed that cranberry juice could forestall specific microbes from connecting to the urinary plot, which is key not just for forestalling UTI, yet in addition for lessening the kidneys' responsibility, permitting them to purge more. Really, the proanthocyanin in cranberries assist with bringing down the gamble of urinary lot contaminations by halting microscopic organisms from adhering to the urinary lot lining, which helps kidney well-being by lessening the recurrence and seriousness of diseases that can influence the kidneys. In short, cranberries are scrumptious. Furthermore, strong normal method for keeping up with kidney well-being and detoxify the body. 3 lemon juice. Lemon juice is a brilliant normal cure, particularly for kidney well-being. Its high citrate content is especially powerful in forestalling. Furthermore, overseeing kidney stone citrate, achy part in lemon juice, forestalls kidney stones by restricting to calcium in the P, which brings down the gamble of new stonerant besides citrate, can help separate existing kidney stones, making lemon squeeze strong guide for individuals with a background marked by kidney stones. The advantages of lemon juice go past falling kidney stones as it was detoxifier. It works on generally speaking kidney capability. The kidneys channels squander from the blood and dispense with it in the P lemon juice helps. This cycle by expanding P creation, which makes a difference, flush out poisons and forestall development a concentrate in the Diary of Urology in 2008. Track down that lemonade treatment, which includes consuming lemon juice blended in with water, could really increment P citrate levels and decline the gamble of kidney stone development. This underlines the pragmatic utilization of lemon juice as a simple regular method for supporting kidney well-being. Lemon juice isn't only for adding flavor, it's a solid partner for your kidneys. Its detoxifying properties and capacity to forestall kidney stones make it an extraordinary decision for a kidney-sound eating regimen. 4 beets are a beautiful and nutritious decision for any body, particularly those zero-ed on kidney well-being. Their high happy of cancer prevention agents makes them an incredible choice for supporting kidney capability and safeguarding against kidney harm. A concentrate in the American Diary of Clinical Nourishment in 2015 stressed the advantages of the nitrate content found in beets. The sinitra test transform into nitric oxide in the body, which helps in further developing bloodstream also. Kidney capability, their view features show beets assume a pivotal part in keeping up with solid circulatory strain levels, which is fundamental in lessening the hazard of ongoing kidney illness. Moreover, beets are perceived for their blood refining properties. They assist in the filtration with handling, supporting the evacuation of waste materials and poisons from the circulation system. This upholds the kidneys in their fundamental undertaking of purifying the blood and guaranteeing proficient expulsion of destructive substances. Beets likewise decidedly affect P stream, a significant element for kidney well-being. Ordinary utilization of beets can increment P yield, which is pivotal for killing byproducts from the body. A superior P stream helps in forestalling the gathering of squander in the kidneys, subsequently bringing down the hazard of kidney stones and other kidney-related. All in all, beets are something other than a delightful and energetic vegetable. They are a healthful force to be reckoned with, giving critical benefits for kidney well-being. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a profoundly nutritious. Verdant green is loaded with fundamental nutrients and minerals, significant for good kidney well-being and supporting the body's detoxification endeavors. Are rich. Cell reinforcement content assumes an imperative part in limiting oxidative pressure in the kidneys. Our recent report in the Diary of the American Culture of Nephrology featured the advantages of an eating regimen bountiful in salad greens, like spinach, for kidney well-being. The cell reinforcements in spinach assists with killing unsafe poisons, also help the kidneys in their detoxification work. Past its cancer prevention agent benefits, spinach is stacked with nutrients A, C, and alongside minerals like magnesium and folate. Supplements cooperate to purge the kidneys and lift by and large substantial capabilities. L-ascorbic acid is particularly significant for forestalling kidney stones, while magnesium helps with breaking them down and working with their ejection. This makes spinach an astounding food decision for anybody looking to normally backing and improve kidney capability. Plus, the high fiber content in spinach advances stomach-related well-being, which is firmly associated with kidney capability. All working stomach-related framework helps in more productive waste elimination, accordingly lessening the responsibility on the kidneys and assisting with keeping up with their well-being with its rich supplement profile. What's more, with detoxifying properties, spinach is an remarkable decision for purifying the kidneys and supporting the body's general detoxification processes. Are normal. Utilization of spinach can be altogether add to keeping up with sound kidneys capability and improving overall speaking prosperity. 6. Sweet yams. Potato yams are commended for their high potassium and cell reinforcement content, which plays an essential job in adjusting sodium levels in the body and mitigating strain on the kidneys. Our center report in the Clinical Diary of the American Culture of Nephrology underlines the importance of keeping a decent potassium-sodium proportion in the eating regimen for kidney well-being. Yams, with their normal overflows of potassium, help accomplish This equilibrium of potassium is key in managing liquid equilibrium and controlling circulatory strain. Both imperative for limiting the stress on the kidneys is cancer prevention agents in yams, including beta-carotene, plays a huge part in their kidney defensive characteristics. Cancer prevention agents battle against oxidative stress, which is related to different kidney infections by lessening oxidative harm. Yams support generally speaking, the well-being and working of the kidneys. Furthermore, the fiber content in yams affords a sound stomach-related framework, which by implication benefits kidney well-being. Well-working stomach-related framework guarantees productive waste end, diminishing the opportunity for poison development that could overburden the kidneys. And pithy yams are profoundly beneficial for kidney well-being, particularly in overseeing sodium levels and facilitating their responsibility on these significant organs. Rich potassium and cancer prevention agent content alongside their engaging taste, them an incredible expansion of a kidney and amicable eating routine. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric, this flavor is notable for its strong calming impacts. What's more, it assumes a fundamental role in the kidney. Well-being can diminish aggravation in the kidneys and upgrade their capability by further developing the bloodstream. A prominent report distributed in the Diary of Renal Sustenance in 2014 researched the impacts of curcumin, the dynamic part in turmeric kidney well-being. The review uncovered that curcumin has a solid soothing and cancer prevention agent properties that are beneficial in treating persistent kidney infections and lessening kidney aggravation. The mitigating impacts of turmeric is particularly valuable in bringing down the gamble of persistent kidney sickness and decelerating its movement. Constant kidney infection, CKD, frequently includes aggravation, and turmeric's ability to ease this aggravation is exceptionally valuable as a cancer prevention agent. The impacts of turmeric further highlight its kidneys defensively ascribe. Oxidative pressure plays a huge job in the beginning and movement of different kidney illnesses. By countering oxidative pressure, turmeric helps in protecting the general well-being and proficiency of the kidneys. Furthermore, turmeric upgrades the bloodstream. Part for powerful kidney capability, further developed flow guarantees that the kidneys get adequate blood supply for their filtration processes appropriately, supporting their ability to decontaminate the assortment of poisons. Turmeric, with its calming and cancer prevention agent properties, gives significant advantages for kidney well-being. Its capacity to diminish aggravation, battle oxidative pressure, and upgrade bloodstream makes it an important part of a eating regimen pointed towards supporting kidney capability and, in general, well-being. 8. Ginger. Ginger is known for its areas of strength and calming and cell reinforcement properties are exceptionally valuable for the kidney. Well-being helps with flushing out poisons from the body and supporting the kidneys accordingly, adding to their ideal working. Ginger's consequences for the body incorporated decreasing irritation and oxidative pressure like turmeric, which can be especially useful in overseeing conditions connected with the kidney. Well-being has a part in advancing productive end of waste and upgrading kidney capability, makes ginger a brilliant talent dietary decision for those hoping to keep up with or move along their kidney well-being. Mitigating properties of ginger are particularly important for diminishing kidney irritation, offering benefits for people with ongoing kidney conditions or those looking to keep up with kidney. A recent report in the Diary of Terry and Natural Chemistry featured ginger's huge calming impacts, which can help in diminishing kidney aggravation and safeguarding renal capability, other than its calming benefits. The cancer prevention agents in ginger are essential in battling oxidative pressure. Inside the kidney, oxidative pressure is a driving supporter of the progression of kidney infections, and by killing hurtful free revolutionaries, ginger guides in protecting kidney well-being. Ginger too assumes a part in the detoxification process, advancing the expulsion of tox poisons from the body, including the kidneys, by invigorating assimilation and flow of this upgraded course guarantees that the kidneys get a sound blood supply, supporting their separating and squander disposal capacities. Furthermore, ginger has shown guarantee in forestalling the arrangement of kidney stones. It helps in separating and dissolving existing stones, make it a significant nourishment for people inclined to kidney stones development given its calming and cancer prevention agent properties. Ginger fills in as a great regular solution for supporting kidney well-being. in its capacity to aid poison and battle oxidative pressure and further develop a course, makes it a significant part of a kidney-accommodating diet. 9 apples are nutritious. What's more, advantageous natural products, particularly for kidney well-being. Their high in fiber content and calming properties make them an ideal expansion of a kidney-amicable eating regimen. The fiber in apples are the key to bringing down cholesterol levels is high. Cholesterol can be a gamble factor for kidney sickness, since it might prompt stopped-up veins that can influence the kidney's capacity to channel blood. Really, a concentration in the Diary of Nourishment in 2013 showed that an eating regimen wealthy in natural products like apples, which contain high measures of solvent fiber, can fundamentally diminish cholesterol levels, accordingly supporting kidney well-being. Furthermore, the properties of apples are significant for shielding the kidneys from irritation-related harm, ongoing kidney illness. What's more, other kidney issues frequently include aggravation, and the mitigating intensifies found in apples can help diminish these apples and likewise support condensation, digestive well-being. Especially in forestalling stoppage, customary defecations are fundamental for eliminating poisons from the body, subsequently lessening the responsibility on the kidneys. The fiber in apples advances a solid stomach-related framework in a roundabout way, helping kidney well-being. Besides, apples are a low-potassium organic product, making them a great choice for people who need to screening their potassium admission due to kidney issues. Potassium is critical for well-being. However, people with compromised kidneys capability frequently need to restrict their consumption of apples with their low potassium content, deal with a nutritious choice that squeezes well into a kidney care routine. Their high fiber content, calming properties, and cholesterol bringing down impacts make apples an astounding decision for keeping up with kidney well-being. Kidney well-being is something they assume a part in, diminishing the gamble of kidney-related issues and backing in general prosperity. Garlic. What's more, useful nourishment for kidney health because of its rich content, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. These features make garlic an exceptional choice for reducing inflammation in the kidneys and further improving overall renal capability. Antioxidants in garlic are essential for combating oxidative stress, a significant factor in kidney damage and the progression of chronic kidney diseases. A recent study in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Science highlighted garlic's protective effects against oxidative stress, showcasing its potential in safeguarding kidney health. Garlic's benefits extend beyond its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It's also known for its ability to boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, and reduce cholesterol levels, all beneficial for individuals looking to maintain or enhance their kidney health. Integrating garlic into the diet can therefore be a significant part of a comprehensive approach to supporting kidney function and overall health. Anti-inflammatory compounds in garlic are particularly effective for reducing inflammation within the kidneys, offering significant benefits for those with chronic kidney conditions.